The Constitution of India, also known as Bharatiya Samvidhana, is the supreme law of India. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The original 1950 Constitution is preserved in a helium-filled case at the Parliament House in New Delhi. The document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country on earth.
Now, let us know about the importance of Constitution and what it states.
The founding fathers wrote the Constitution keeping the citizens of India in mind. This book tells what the rights and duties are of its citizens. It includes Voice of the People, Government of India, Fundamental Rights of Indian Citizens, and National Symbol, Voices of the People. The hopes and aspirations of the people as well as how they should be governed are described in the preamble. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that establishes the guiding principles. Fundamental rights. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to culture and education, right to constitutional remedies. The
3 branches of government were established in order to check and balance each other so that no one arm can become too powerful.
Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and a social reformer. He was independent India's first Minister of Law and Justice, the chief architect of the Constitution of India and a founding father of Republic of India.
Those who are in power make decisions that respect the public opinion fairly. It also sets out all the ways in which those in authority can be held in charge for their actions for the public they serve. The Constitution Day is important as it lets the youngsters and the next generation be more aware about their rights, responsibilities, privileges, and obligations as citizens.
Thank you so much for watching the video and I wish you a happy National Constitution Day. Jai Hind.